front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on About Phone at the very bottom. Now tap on this tiny pen right next to your current device name and change it in the pop-up. When you finished, select Done. As you can see, after a few seconds, name of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!